Welcome to the mirror lake of Salar de Uyuni, a place where Earth truly becomes the sky, offering an unparalleled natural spectacle. Imagine driving through the sky, literally. In Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, the line between heaven and Earth completely vanishes. This incredible phenomenon creates an optical illusion where every step looks like you're walking on the clouds, a breathtaking display of pure nature showing off its most stunning artistry, requiring no digital enhancements whatsoever.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Located in the high-altitude Altiplano region of southwest Bolivia, Salar de Uyuni stretches over an astonishing 10,582 square kilometers, an area larger than some small countries, and so vast it can even be seen from space. Its geological history is equally impressive, around 30,000 to 42,000 years ago. This entire region was part of Lake Minchin, a massive prehistoric lake. As this colossal lake gradually dried up over millennia, it left behind thick layers of salt crust and mineral-rich brine, which ultimately formed the dazzling, expansive white landscape we marvel at today. And when rainwater collects just a few centimeters deep on its surface, the salt flat undergoes a magical transformation, becoming the largest natural mirror on Earth. This incredible effect requires no special effects or human intervention, just the perfect combination of light, a thin layer of water, and an enormous, perfectly flat expanse of salt, creating a reflection so clear it's almost unbelievable. The mirror effect is a result of perfect optical symmetry and the unique properties of the salt flat. The shallow film of water acts like a massive, perfectly flat mirror, reflecting light almost completely without distortion. When combined with the ultra-smooth, uniform salt crust beneath, the surface becomes so incredibly flat and reflective that it mirrors 100% of the sky above, making it feel as though you are standing on an inverted world, where the heavens are beneath your feet. The crust itself is primarily composed of sodium chloride, along with significant reserves of lithium, magnesium, and borax. Its flatness is truly astonishing. Across the entire vast region, the elevation varies by less than 1 meter, making it one of the flattest places on Earth. This extreme uniformity is so precise that NASA even utilizes Salar de Uyuni to calibrate satellite altimeters, as it is flatter and more consistent than most man-made runways, providing an ideal natural benchmark for scientific measurement. While tourists flock here for the surreal and often gravity-defying reflection photos, Salar de Uyuni is also a vital ecosystem. 3 distinct species of flamingos call this unique environment home, nesting here every year amidst the vast salt plains. And as day turns to night, the mirror effect takes on a cosmic dimension, reflecting millions of stars with breathtaking clarity. It's an experience akin to being inside a galaxy, yet with the distinct crunch of salt under your boots, offering an unforgettable celestial spectacle. Here's a fascinating fact. Drivers navigating the Salar de Uyuni rely heavily on GPS technology, because the seamless blend of ground and sky makes it virtually impossible to tell where one ends and the other begins. This optical illusion is so profound that even experienced pilots sometimes struggle to distinguish the horizon when flying over this vast expanse. It truly is a next-level optical illusion, challenging human perception in the most extraordinary way. So, the next time someone tells you the sky's the limit, you can tell them about the incredible Salar de Uyuni. Here, the sky isn't just above you, stretching endlessly into the heavens, it's also beneath your feet, creating a profound and humbling experience that blurs the boundaries between our world and the cosmos.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.